Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how we're going to take an image from Google and turn it into an SVG cut file when we place it into Cricut Design Space. As you can see on the screen, we're already in Google, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in house clip art, and we're going to look for a picture of a house for our example. So it's brought up some suggestions, so we're just going to view all, and as you can see there's lots of different designs to choose from, and we're not after multi-layer designs, we're just after more of a single layer design for the SVG file. So we're just going to have a little scoot through, and I think we'll choose this one, and this is its free images of houses, so that's the one we're going to use. Just be aware that some images are not free and you would have to purchase a commercial license from the designer, so be sure to check that out. So now I've clicked on add to downloads. If I go to my downloads, I should now see there's the images.png, and that's our image of our house, and that's perfect. So if we pop over to Cricut Design Space, we've now got a blank canvas, so we're now ready to upload our image. So if we click on upload, and we're going to go to upload image and click on browse, and here we're going to click on the images PNG and click open, and there we can see is our design. So we're going to click on complex and continue. Now we need to use the background remover, and that's going to remove all of the white parts, so it's just going to leave us the black bit. That will be what creates the SVG cut file. So if we click on the background, we can now see it's put on a kind of purple grid, and that shows that that element has been removed. So we can see it's also removed it through the chimney and through the roof. So we now need to go ahead and click on the windows, and as we can see there, we can now see the purple background, so that shows that the white elements have been removed. And same with around the door, we can see that around the door it's purple, but we'll do the door handle. Super. So now all that we're left with now is the black part of the design, and that's what's going to become the SVG cut file. So we'll click apply and continue, and that's how it's looking now. We don't want it print and cut, we just want the cut file. So we'll click on that one and upload, and now we can see in recent uploads we can click on that one and add to canvas, and now we can see that it's on our Design Space canvas. We can just enlarge it, and that is what the Cricut will cut out when we send it and make it. So if we click on make it, we will see it on our mat, and that is exactly how it will get cut out. And that is how you take an image from Google, download it onto your computer, upload it into Cricut Design Space and turn it into an SVG file. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will look forward to seeing you in my next one. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye for now.